everybody out there, Sean here, and I'm really excited to share with you some of the updates on our new roller coaster, Little Thunder Mountain. We've been making a ton of progress, and today is really exciting because we've got a big group of people here working today on the rock work. So come with me and we'll take a look at the progress. So right here is the front of the ride, so this is where you're going to load. We do care a lot about the details here, so we had a pretty big team working on some vanes and different crevices and stuff on the bottom. And then we've got people on the upper level adding textures and towers and citadels, things of that nature. Looking good. So we had a huge team, about 30 people showed up today. Only the best and finest rock artisans money can buy.
Wait, we're paying for these people?
The A team here, Emily and Austin. All right, let's go take a look at the other side of the mountain. The surface area that we have to cover is crazy. We've got a team up here. It looks like, is that Dominic?
Of one.
Oh, look at that. He's all masked up.
I don't know where everyone else is.
So even though we've been focusing all of our efforts on the front, we still have this whole back side to do. As you can see, it's kind of a blank white wall right now. This is amazing. Can't believe all this. So many people, so much work, so much foam. We're gonna walk into the cave, it's gonna get a little dark. So we've had a whole team just working on the cave. It's huge. It's about 100 feet long. So there's a lot going on in this cave. We'll get a sneak peek. This way. I don't know if the camera will be able to see, but we got Mr. Wood here. Hello. He's been working hard.
Hardly working.
Adding some texture. He's a coal miner. Our cool texture is just that you wouldn't really notice unless you were really looking at it, but it's going to help with our world building in this project. We have Marilyn here who's created some super cool vein. Hi Marilyn. And then we've got this huge wall here. See up above the the people working on the upper roof level. So huge area that they're working on there too. Alright, so up here you get to see what the roof looks like, and you get a great view of what we've been working on in the background. This is the main spire. Emily worked really hard at making it look really authentic, and I'm loving the colors and the texture. And over here I'm working with an amazing team, head by Scott.
Scott needs to stand up and wave.
And they're working on the roof layer. This layer is super important. This layer breaks up the monotony of the building that we have below, the showroom. And it also adds depth to the back of the mountain. Alright folks, well that's it for our walkthrough. Really hope you enjoyed that. We're making tons of progress and we'll be updating you as we move forward. Until next time, take care.